Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bonnet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1985 Ferrari 308, also known as Tom Selleck's personal car and Magnum PI. Let's go ahead and walk around the whole entire 308 and then we'll go for a test drive. It's painted in Rosso, which is red. I would say it's a driver quality car, and if you're looking for something that's been completely serviced, $23,000 in recent upgrades from 2017 to last month, this is the car for you. Tires have nipples still on them, they have 95% tread, and they're Goodyear American Eagles. The wheels have been refinished and they look great, and the paint and overall body condition is excellent. So when you're looking at the Carfax on here, you're going to see that it had an owner for 23 years. It also had an accident in 1985, so 6 months after purchase. They had a bumper collision, not a structural issue. We've had it on the lifts, we've checked everything out, and you're more than welcome to send an inspector to take a look at it. The bonnet, let me open it for you. So this is where you're going to find your battery and radiator and air conditioning components. You've got your squirter bottle, your spare tire, and all the plastics look great. And you can look at this area right here, it looks extremely nice too. Windshield wipers work, lights work, all the lights work. Top comes off with ease. There are minor imperfections and touch-ups throughout, but nothing to be alarmed of. It does also have the shield on the side that didn't come like that factory. That's a sticker, and it is easily removable. Let me close this and we'll go down the driver's side. So all the panel gaps are even. Doors open with ease. And then you get your VIN plate right here. Door cards are in great shape. All the windows go up and down with these, and the air condition is actually ice cold. So we recently rebuilt this whole entire column here. We sent it out to a place in California and they redid the whole thing. It was about $1,850, and I would say to send it to them 100% if you have an issue. The actual windshield wiper switch snapped off, so that was our reason for sending it to them. Seats have minor wear. There's a little bit of a tear in the seat on the bottom. All the carpet looks great, as does the deck lid up here. Let me go ahead and open the engine bay. All the vents look nice and all the paint looks nice as well. We are going to leave the top on when we do the test drive because of the wind noise, or we could leave the air on, but I think you'd rather hear the exhaust. Tires in the rear look great too, and all of your indicators are in excellent condition with no cracking. You got your body filler right here, and then look at how beautiful this is. Extremely clean. This is the most sought after year, so 85 is, they produced 733 of them, but this has the fuel injection. So it's got this huge cylinder that is what feeds everything. So it has a main injector for cold start, and then you've got your main injection under here. It's like a giant diaphragm that opens and closes. I don't know if you could see that very well with the light. All the shocks work as they should, and all the bushings are in very nice shape. You have your owner's manual here as well, along with a host of more receipts. Pretty neat. And you get your stamping here. It's a really nice car. When we go for the test drive, it's really going to make you want to buy it. Let me close this. Antenna works as it should, so when you turn the radio on, it goes up and down. And then the body lines on this side are very, very nice. If you come down, you're going to see that there is a black accent that follows through the whole body line. And this door opens up very easily. All the lock mechanisms are very nice, and the passenger side seat's very, very comfortable and nice. What I'll do is I'll go to the front fender, or the passenger side fender, and then I'll start it up for you so you can hear it. No cracks on the front fascia. Let me get inside there and turn it on for you. Actually, you don't have to get in there, you just turn the key. You ready? Fires right up, no smoke, no hesitation. Windows go up and down. Passenger side, up and down as well. AC is cold. It's ice cold, actually. I can feel the air blowing from here. I just turned the compressor on. I don't know if you can hear that. It sounds unbelievable. It has a gutted exhaust muffler, so that throatiness, and then when you rev it up, it sounds so good. Let's go ahead and do that. We're inside the cockpit right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the lights so you can see that they operate as they should. Horn. All of my gauges are working, which you're going to see when you get inside here, and the emergency brake is holding it in place. Listen to that exhaust. It sounds so good. Let's go for a ride. We're inside the 308 right now. I want to show you that the climate control is operating as it should, so you can turn it up. It's really cold. I'd say under 60 degrees, no problem. It's 90 degrees here in Florida. I'm going to lower it just for the test drive. The emergency brake works as it should. You've got your climate control right here, as we just talked about, your antenna, so I can raise and lower it. There it goes, it's going up right now. Put that up. Radio works as it should. Sounds great. That older head unit with the CD player. You can adjust your dims for your gauges right here. So take a look at all the gauges. You got your oil pressure, your tach, which is not bouncing, your speedometer, your fuel gauge, and your temperature. Let's go for a ride. I'm going to turn the air off so you can actually hear the motor for this ride, and we'll put the windows down a little bit. So we're in first gear right now. Clutch disengages and engages at the halfway point. It's not springy. Suspension feels good. And this thing actually likes to drive. Very smooth. Shifts are easy. You just push it right into gear. It doesn't pop out. All right. Look at how cool this is. Amazing. Steering is precise. You can hear the motor behind you. Just a fun car all around. And if you're a detective, this is definitely the car you want to buy. 6th gear, I'm going to give it throttle. No slippage at all. Brakes. No pulsation, feels really nice. Downshifting. Let's go into 2nd. And we're behind the SoFlo Mobile Cafe. What I'm going to do is we're going to turn left up here, so you could probably fast forward it, and I'll get spirited around the corners. But extremely, in regards to mechanicals, it runs and drives excellent. All right, so we're going to turn left here. Test the brakes out. Put it back in first. You ready? Very smooth delivery of power. If you're looking for an 85 308 that doesn't need anything, you can drive it, enjoy it, not worry about it, this is it. Windshield wipers work as they should. I know you're not supposed to do that when it's dry, but it's just a blast. Let's try it again. A lot of fun. Give us a call if you have any questions, 954-363-2261.